So next what we're going to do is we're going to build one set of the legs. Now remember, the legs have two separate parts. One with the extra holes that goes towards the inside of the chassis, and one without the holes that goes towards the back or the front, the outside of the chassis. And what we're going to do first is we're going to get the two motor mounts, the inside middle brace that goes in the middle, 6 nuts, nylon nuts, and 6 standoffs from your bag. We're also going to get the screws that came in your kit for the motors. And what we're going to do is we're going to mount the motors to the motor mount boards first before we put them together. What you need to do is make sure the wires are nice and flat, and you're going to mount the board on them. If you notice, the board mounts at a little diagonal with the holes, and you're going to want to put some Loctite on these screws before you put them in. Loctite red is what, or blue is what I would recommend. If you put Loctite red on, you probably never get them off. But what we're going to do is we're going to put the screws through, match them up with the motors, and you want your wires to be coming out the long edge of the board, because the arm is going to clamp on it like this, and you don't want the wires coming out the sides. Okay, you don't want the wires coming out the short sides, you want them coming out the long sides. Okay? Then we're going to put all the screws in. Now remember, I'm taking a shortcut and I'm not putting the Loctite on, but you guys need to. You need to fly with the Loctite on. And that's the first step in mounting the motors to the arms.